Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a bit windy down here, down the front. Last hour or so. You can see the sea's a bit rough. A few people still on the beach though. During the day it is still quite warm. About 25 degrees I think. Something like that. It was cloudy this morning. But it's got a nice afternoon, apart from the wind. If you get out the wind though, a very nice day. We've still got the squares on the beach at the moment. I don't know if they're going to remove them or not. Now we're at a state of emergency. I would have thought they'd come off the beach. We'll just have to wait and see. If anybody knows anything about that, can you let us know, please? And in the comments. Be very grateful. Usually deserted when you get this much wind on the beach. As I say, it's still really warm. Nice to see the beach packed again. When you guys all come back. Shouldn't be able to move on there this time of year. June and July I think it is, you're coming back now. Let me know if you're coming guys, when you're coming. Whoa. You can see how much wind there is on the flag there. It's really blowing. But if you get off the front, it's quite okay. Quite warm and for you to walk along. We are going out tonight to do some night filming. In the evening. I think we're going out about 8 o'clock. We do a few films. I'm going to try and get this Cheerio film sorted out. We've had a few problems with that today, to be honest. The place where we was going to get them from, they apparently not doing them. So we're going to have another look tonight, see if we can get a place. I know there's a place in town. Let's just find another one. But we'll have a look at that later on. Let me know what you think of the new bits in the videos. Let's see if I can find a few more of these if you like them. Let's brighten the video up a little bit. As you see along the beach. I think that's the first aid huts there. As you can see, there's not a lot of people out at the moment. I don't know whether they're stopping a bit and going out later now. We'll have a look tonight anyway on the videos. The weather is starting to get nice over here. We're still having rain. We had a bit of rain last night. It seems mainly at night now if we get on. Last week or so. So hopefully we're heading towards summer now. It's going to be pretty loud this summer, I think, when everybody comes back. All the hotels, bars, banging out all the music. Could get a bit loud. Funny day walking along the beach today. So a little bit of a problem with the playback on the video there. I'll just check it out before I put it up. See Peacock Island there. I was trying not to zoom it up too much today because I think I've been over zooming it. Sometimes you can't see quite what's happening. If the zoom gets left on, you get, a really large picture, so you can't see much. Right, we're coming up to the end of the video now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Just love to see the beach packed again. It'll be great. Yeah, if you like the video, guys, like and subscribe. It all helps. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.